In this video, I will show you how to use Alaska Airline companion fare, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. So first, if you are not sure what the companion fare is, it is a perk offered on Alaska Airline co-branded credit card that allow you to purchase a second ticket on a round-trip flight in the main cabin for $99 plus tax. So how do we use it? To start with, we first actually must find our companion fare code, so we will have to go to the Alaska Airline website. Now we can go up to the top right corner where it says sign in, and from here we just want to use our user ID or mileage plan number, and then we want to put our password. Then from there we want to head over to the section which is called my account. After that you should be able to see all these different options. However, we just want to go to the bottom where it says discount and companion and fare codes. Now when we click on that, we will see this page. We should be able to see all of the code that we actually have, so you want to make sure they are not actually expired, and you just want to copy the discount code that it gave you over here. Now in order to use it, we want to head back over to Alaska Airline, and then we want to click this button down here. We say use discount or companion fare code. When we click on it, that it will load the page, and it will actually give us this box over here on the right in which we can paste in our companion fare code. Once we have successfully entered the code and all other details, now we can go ahead and click the find flight, and it will actually find flight that allow you to purchase a second ticket on a round trip flight, and that's it.